wife's heart.
Wife or ex-wife? You have to be clear.
Ex.
Huh?
I meant to say ex-wife.
Remember your wife's heart? Why? Is it cold?
Cold as ice.
I'll just post this on YouTube. Just like this.
I like my coffee the way I like my women. Black and bitter.
What? That's not even nice.
See, look, you're already proving my point. You're already beating me.
Look at this. Wow.
Where did Ruby go with the ice? Ruby just ran away with the ice, babe.
She have to beat it up.
Huh?
She have to beat it up.
Here, can you do
Ay,
that?
nako
Mix
na.
with,
Last day na ka ng baptist dahil ka na lang sa tira.
I have to work now. Mix with, like, half water, babe.
What are you doing? Huh? Are you flirting? Huh? Go down now on here. Go.